Hi guys, welcome to the CATWay. So in this video, we are going to solve our daily set. And before we begin, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Now moving on to the set. So what has been given is that in the month of April 2011, each of 5 travel agencies, Aram Time, Best Travels, Cruise Point, Dream Tour and Easy Trips provided holiday packages for each of the 5 destinations: Paris, Qatar, Rome, Switzerland and Thailand. Now, the first table, it shows the breakup of number of packages sold by travel agencies to different destinations. And the second table shows the breakup of number of packages sold for a destination by different travel agencies. Okay, chalo. So let's say that for Aram Travels, you have like the total number of packages that they sold for Aram Travel sold is A. For them, it is B, C, D, and E. And similarly, let's say the number of packages sold for Paris is P, for Qatar is Q, Rome is R, Switzerland is S, and Thailand is T. This has been given to you. Okay. Acha, now what you know, ki Aram Travels has given his out of their total business, that is of A packages sold, they have given 15%, that is 15 by 100 to Paris. And out of the total packages sold for Paris, 25% have been from Aram Travels. Okay. So these two values are equal. So upon solving, what we get is that A is equal to 5p by 3. Similarly, for Qatar, if you calculate, and for for Best Travels, if you calculate, so you see that they have given their 10% of the business to Paris. And in Paris, 25% of the business came from Best Travels. Sorry, 20% came from Best Travels. So from here, what do you get? From here, you get that B is equal to 2p. Take. Come to the third one. Then you see that from Cruise Point, 30% of the business went to Paris. And in Paris, 30% of the business came from Cruise Point. Okay. So here, what do we get? That C is equal to P. Take care. Then moving ahead, what do you have? That from Dream Tour, what is happening? From Dream Tour, they are giving 15% of their business to Paris. Okay. And in Paris, 15% of the business is coming from Dream Tour. So 15p by 100. So again, we get D is equal to P. Okay. And then what you have for Easy Trips. So Easy Trips is giving the 7.5% business to Paris, and Paris is getting the 10% of the business from Easy Trips. So from here, what do we get? We get that E is equal to 4p by 3. Sorry, E is equal to 4p by 3. So now the relationship between them is known, between Paris and every other travel. It is known to us. Okay. Chalo, let me remove all this then, because we need some space. Chalo. Now moving on to the first question. Now the first question says that if a total of 13,020 packages were sold by all 5 agencies together, what is the total number of packages sold by Aram Time? Okay, so this has been asked. Okay. So what has been given is that A plus B plus C plus D plus E ka value is 13,020. Okay. Now you have every A, B, C, D, E written in terms of P. So what you get is 5p by 3 plus 2p plus p plus p and plus 4p by 3. And the value is given to be equal to 1320. Okay. So from here we get that 7p is equal to 13,020, and we get that p is equal to 1860. Okay. So p it is equal to 1860. Now out of 1860, 25% business came from Aram Travels. Okay, Aram Travels, or basically you know that Aram Travels is A, like the all the sum of all the packages sold by Aram Travels is A, and A is equal to 5p by 3. So putting it over here, 1860 into 5 by 3, we get that 3100 packages were sold by Aram Travels. That is option number C becomes our right answer. Now moving on to the second question. Okay, now moving on to the second question. What do we have? Let's see. If 1200 packages were sold by Easy Trips for Qatar. Okay. So Easy Trips have sold 1200 packages for Qatar. Okay. So basically it is saying that 15e by 100 is equal to 1200. So from here we get that E is equal to 8000. Okay. We get that E is equal to 8000. Then it says that what was the total number of packages sold by Cruise Point for Switzerland? Okay. So for cruise point for Switzerland, first you need to calculate C. Okay. So E is given to you as 8,000 and this 8,000 will be equal to 4p by 3. Okay. This will be equal to 4p by 3. है. So what you get is that P is equal to 6,000. You get that P is equal to 6,000 and for cruise point it is C and we know that P is equal to C. So C is also 6,000. Now from C, that is cruise point, 15% of the business went to Switzerland. So 15% of this, that is into 0.15, that gives you that total of 900 packages were given for Switzerland by cruise point. So the correct answer is option number D. Now guys, moving on to the third question, third and the last question. So what do we have? Let's see. Okay, just a second. Okay. So what do we get is that if 4,800 packages were sold by Best Travels for the 5 destinations together. So basically it is saying that B is equal to 4,800. Okay. What was the total number of packages sold by the 5 travel agencies for Rome? Okay. This is what it is saying. Okay. Chalo. So now let's see what do we do. Okay. So for Rome, if you see, from Best Travels in Rome, 40% of the business went. Okay. So 4,800 total packages they sold, and for Rome, okay, for Rome they sold 40% of it, that is 4,800 into 0.4, 1,920. Okay. Now in Rome, out of whatever the business of Rome was, from there 1,920 came from Best Travels, and that constitutes 32%. That constitutes 32% of R. So 32% of R is equal to 1920. Okay. So R will be equal to 1920 into 100 divided by 32. So R ki value will be 6,000. That is, for complete Rome, there were 6,000 packages sold. That is option number D becomes the right answer. So with this, the set is complete and hope you have understood the set well, guys. Thanks for watching the video.